Alright peeps, so you don't know, welcome back to another video. Today, we are traversing the western end of Jamaica right now. Today, we are going to visit one place called Border in St. Elizabeth. Today, I want to get some fish and some bammy. You know what I mean? I know it's a long time someone want to eat some good fish and bammy. So today, we are going to try some of that, alright? So stay tuned, right? Until we reach down there, we'll check in back with them guys, alright? People, I'm not going to lie. So right now, my last, I don't know if I'm use the GPS today, so I have to go figure it out back. So I'm going to go back up the road and take one right turn and go down to one stoplight in order to come out of stop, because I'm in a stop with it right now. I'm the first time in a stop actually. So, you have to sit with me, you see me? So we still at traverse the street, same way. And I'm going to try to figure this thing out here because one bad turn and just end up in one spot where I'm not supposed to do. I reach down at one dead end of one road. But that make a trip really nice. You understand what I say? So, I'm going to stay tuned. When time I find a way out, I get back to you. Alright? Boom. But we reach a Ferris Cross. Alright, so we're up on the right road. Yeah, I kind of get lost earlier and I get so I'm back on track again. So, yeah. Road trip vibes, man. You see me? Road trip vibes, people. So, like I said, it look like all the rain I can fall, but we are trying to make sure say get on a border before this rain that come down, you see me? Yeah, crazy journey with the band today. Like I said, we traverse all the way through Nigger, come a Sablamar, get lost in a Sab. So, I'm gonna stay tuned for that one, guys. Cause like I say, I'm my first experience I got a border. I always see it. I always want to go down there go eat two of them nice Escovitch smart fish there. So that's what about the mission today. Alright, so I'm stay tuned. Anytime we pull up down there, boom, we're checking back with them, alright? Alright people, so finally make it. So I'm gonna see what I can catch. And thing on them show me food, you see me? So I'm gonna stay tuned. I'm gonna get the food and see what is what. Alright? Nice one. A nice snapper.
Alright, now if you buy me, I'm going to give you something else.
Alright. Yeah, thanks, here. Yeah. Alright, peeps. So, there now, you see it? It's at the Bammy. You see me? Steam Bammy, you see me? Steam Bammy. Alright. You see me? Yeah man, this look good. Sea flesh. Nice. Wow. Right spice, seasoned to perfection. Food nice. Steamed cassava. Phenomenal. I did want some fried cassava, but then I think of it as my eyes are eat it fried. But try it steam, you know? Perfect. Fish head. Proper. Well, that's part of two some. Everybody can cook. That anyone must stop first, or there's something I buy. So there you go. If you have your favorites, that's fine. But today, Miss Doreen. Big up Miss Doreen. Nice. Peeps. So here now, this are the parrot. This me really come for still. Eastern parrot, you know. Flesh, nice. That fish head. Not now waste. People, wanna see damage? You know say thing real, see me? Yeah man. Bada, St. Elizabeth. And Westmoreland right there, so. Top. Two fish me mash up to them. One snapper and one parrot. Two pieces of the steam bammy. Right now I'm full. People, the mission complete.